Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to unmerge cells in Google Sheets. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So first of all, you're gonna need to open up your browser and then you will go to this link where it says google.com/sheets, and then you will tap on go to sheets and then you will be redirected to this new blank sheet here. Okay, so here you can see that I have this merged cells. Okay, so I have merged like 4 cells in it to make this one big cell here, because here you can see that all the other cells are different in size to this cell. So how to unmerge this cell? Okay, so you will select the cell, go to format, merge cells, and here you can see we have unmerge option. Click on it and here you can see that we have successfully unmerged our cell. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next one.